Okay, so based on the latest news we have, everything the same, okay, but the thermometer is missing. You can still see a stopwatch. You see two powder here. Then after that, beaker still there. The distilled water is for you to wash because wash anything that you like. You want to wash hand or whatever, wash chemical. It's always a distilled water. Every year, chemistry lab will have chemistry paper 3 to have distilled water when you want to wash you think your just anything you want to wash, or maybe later you got glass or thermometer, then you need to wash the thermometer also can. Guess remember the distilled water is just for you to use to wash things, right? Don't worry about the distilled water. Okay, then the things here, you can see there's one important thing is missing, which is thermometer. Not sure is it going to give you tomorrow. Okay, you didn't see the copper 2 sulfate because copper 2 sulfate, right? They cannot just put there and wait because it might be dirty, contaminated tomorrow. So they will give you the solution tomorrow. But the main thing is one apparatus is missing is the thermometer. So when don't have thermometer, very high chance will be set 3. But anyway, when I say set 3, doesn't mean that you don't need to study set 1, set 2, or set 5. Both the other 3 sets also need to study. So need to explain to you because this is something, it's an additional video. So if you want to watch about set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 5, please watch back the previous video. I just explained to you when tomorrow there's no thermometer, and I worry it don't give you glass straw, you go and stir with finger, right? So I show you the steps, huh? Everything's still the same. Just here, instead of stir with thermometer, there's no glass straw, there's thermometer, can I use finger? So you can use swirl the beaker. So it means I show you this, huh? So tomorrow, I show you the things. So tomorrow, right, you are given 60 cm cube of the solution. And what happened here is, you have to set the solution up. So tomorrow will be 25. Should be using 25. So you pour 25. 25 ready. Let me adjust the video on. Okay, 25 ready. After that, just pour inside. Okay, so because it don't have thermometer means it's not thermochemistry, then very high chance will be real reaction. So they should ask you to record down the time taken for the blue solution turn colorless. The blue solution turn colorless, huh? So this is what you do. You take the stopwatch. This video is further explain how to do the set 3. Doesn't mean set 3 confirm coming up because tomorrow my teacher might give you thermometer as well. So just in case, okay, this is the additional video. So you just pour in the powder in. Okay, because now you don't have thermometer to start. So what you need to do is you're going to swirl the solution. You can see swirl the solution. And then somehow you have to wait until it turns colors. So I start the stopwatch. Okay, then after that I wait a while to see how long it turns colors. If tomorrow don't have dot given you, so you can see it still got blue color. It take a little bit longer time. Okay, good. It turned colors a bit. So it used about 21 seconds to turn colors. Okay, so this is the one that we have to do the recording for tomorrow. So this is something that is an additional video from the previous video. I'll share the link to you. Okay, then what else? The updated answer here, because suddenly set 3 higher chance, I need to explain to you the detail about this set 3. Okay, so for this set 3, right, same lah. The only difference here I adjust my answer here, which is you need to write the hypothesis is the reaction between magnesium powder and copper 2 sulfate powder will take shorter time theoretically. Okay, that for the blue solution turn colors compared to zinc powder and copper 2 sulfate solution. Okay, so you try to write in detail. Or you also can write the hypothesis that the more electropositive a metal, then the shorter time for the blue solution turn colors. Okay, then after that, this is everything. You have this thing. Remember tomorrow, if we are digital, you have to use 2 decimal. If you get analog, you must use 1 decimal. Okay. Then after that, they'll ask you why all the blue solution turn colors. You write all the copper 2 ion is completely displaced to form copper atom. Then this one is the same magnesium and zinc metal or type of metal, then time taken for the blue solution turn colors, fixed variables record. So please watch back the previous video. Then everything here will be the same with the previous one. Please watch back the previous video. And then, okay, here, I adjust my answer here, which is this one. When magnesium powder is added to copper 2 sulfate solution, the time taken for the blue copper 2 sulfate solution is shorter. Had to mention the direction because you use magnesium. So if you use zinc here, then you can write the time taken will be longer. So this is the operational definition for rate of reaction if you're having trouble. The other set 1, set 2, and set 5, you still have to go through. Because just in case, because if there's no thermometer, then you might stand there. I don't want you to stand there, that you actually can swirl the solution for them to read. Okay, so that's for today. Good luck for tomorrow exam.